A missing Freecash verification email is usually caused by an incorrect email address, inbox filtering, or a temporary delay from the email provider, rather than a problem with your account itself. By the end, you'll know the fastest ways to find the missing email, request a new one correctly, and decide when it's time to contact Freecash support. Start by confirming the email address you used to sign up. If you accidentally entered the wrong address or made a typo, the verification email will never reach your inbox. Open your account settings if you can and verify that every character in your email address is correct. Next, search your inbox instead of checking only the latest messages. Look for Freecash or verification, and check your spam, junk, promotions, social, and updates folders. Many email providers automatically move automated emails into those folders. If you still don't see anything, request a new verification email only once. Repeatedly clicking the resend button can create multiple requests, making it harder to know which message is the newest. Wait a few minutes before requesting another email. Now check whether your email provider is blocking automated messages. Some providers use aggressive spam filters that delay or reject verification emails. If your provider allows it, add Freecash to your contacts or safe sender list before requesting another verification email. If you're using a browser, refresh the page, sign out of your Freecash account, then sign back in before requesting another verification email. If you're using the mobile app, close it completely and reopen it before trying again. A fresh session can resolve temporary account sync issues. Another thing to check is whether you're using a work, school, or custom domain email address. Those accounts sometimes have stricter filtering rules than personal email services. If possible, use a personal email account when creating a new Freecash account, provided it follows the platform's account policies. If none of these steps work, contact Freecash support through the official support channel. Include the email address linked to your account, explain that the verification email isn't arriving, and mention every troubleshooting step you've already completed. That gives the support team enough information to investigate without asking you to repeat the basics. The quickest fixes are confirming your email address, searching every inbox folder, and requesting a fresh verification email after waiting a few minutes. Your next step is to search your inbox for Freecash before requesting another email. If this guide saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting tips and app fixes.